Today, we have the great Shining Fates, the Shining Fates Elite Trainer box. That's right. Let's see. Can we pull any amazing? Can we pull anything amazing from this? We're gonna have to open it and see. All right. Let's pop this bad boy open. We'll get right to the good stuff. Well, let's not forget, they always give the awesome EV VMAX, you know? So, it's a cool card. All right. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Shining Fate packs. Let's go ahead and get them all separated there. Our 4 different arts. All right. Let's see. Can we hit anything? Oh boy. Of course. Had the trash right next to the table, and somehow I missed with that first wrapper. All right. 4 to the front here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. We got Fire Energy, Luxio, Gym Trainer, Thwacky, Shinx. All right. We got the Nickit, Rowlet, Trapinch, Buizel, I think maybe, the Reverse Holo Team Yo, Towel, and non-holo Yanmega. So, nothing for the first pack. So, and I try to always point out, everyone always says that the white card is hits. That's just not always the case, folks. Let's go ahead and try a Dragapult pack. All right. Let's do 4 to the front. All right. Got a Psychic Energy, Floatzel, Luxio, Rusted Sword. We got the Snom on a bench. My guy got kicked out of his house. He's out sleeping on a bench right now. The Trapinch. Got another Nickit. Buizel, whatever his name is. Shinx. Whoa! The shiny Indeedee with the non-holo Dreadnought. But we got Indeedee. This is one that we did not have. Nice. There we go, folks. Nice. Nice. Good little pull there. All right. Yeah, we'll put that up there. Let's see what this Corviknight pack has. Oh. Oh my god. Not this again. Getting beat up by the packaging. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's see what we got here. Ball Guy, Thwacky, Cramorant, Coughing, Trapinch again, Rowlet, a Choodle, a Morpeko with the shuckle in the background. What a hell of a cameo. We got the reverse holo Luxio and whoa, we got the holo Thievel. It's not one of the shiny volts, but that's all right. Still pretty cool. Oh yeah, it should go up there. All right, let's see. What do we got here? Oh. One, two, three, four to the front, baby. Let's see it. We got Luxio, a Dartrix, Rusted Shield, Coughing, more Pico, Horsey, don't get any ideas, Spinarak, we got another Rowlet. Hey, we got the shiny Volt Toxtricity with the Professor's Research. Man, what a crap card to get on the last card there. But there we go. We got the Toxtricity. That is one that we did not have. So that's two so far from this box. Not bad. Two, well, three if you're gonna count the Thievel. All right, let's see what we got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Grass Energy. We got the Rotom, Rusted Sword, Eldegoss. We got a Coughing, Gossifleur, another Rowlet, a Qfant, Spinarak, a Reverse Holo Zarude, and a Cramorant V. Nice. First V card from this box. Not bad. The Shining Fates Cramorant V. Not too bad of a pull. Whoop. Alright.
Eat already, son.
Oh. All right. So, I guess we got 5 done, 5 left. So, let's see what we got here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. The Floatzel, Rusted Sword. Oh, we got a Datrix, a Buizel. We got a Shinx, a Coughing. Oh, a Trapinch, a Rowlet. Hey, another shiny Volt, the Eldegoss. And we got the non-holo Yanmega, but that's a pretty cool one right there. Another shiny Volt we didn't have. Nice. All right, let's see the Corviknight pack. Do you hold anything special for us? Two, three, 4 to the front. With the Dartrix. Gym Trainer, Team Yell Towel, Snom, Horsey, a Rowlet, a Morpeko, Spinnerack, Reverse Hollow Celebi, and the Hollow Decadui. Not bad. Not bad. We out here catching shinies, baby. Alright. We got Dragapult and the 2 Charizard packs left, so we're gonna do the Dragapult, and then we'll do the 2 Charizard packs. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. We got a Grass Energy, Rusted Shield, Ball Guy, Floatzel, a Morpeko, a Spinnerack, a Buizel, Rowlet, Trapinch, a Reverse Hollow Grookey, and a non-hollow Zarude. Wah. Alright, we got the two Charizard packs. Let's see. Is there a shiny Charizard in one of these? There's one way to find out. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Got an Electric Energy, a Floatzel, Tropius, a Gym Trainer, a Coughing, Shinx, we got a Grookey, a Trapinch, a Yanma, oh, and the Centiskorch VMAX. What? Wow, the non-hollow Manaphy, but nice. The Shiny Volt Centiskorch VMAX. Look at that thing. Look at that. Not a bad hit at all. Pretty cool. Nice. It was not the Charizard that I was hoping for, but it's still cool to hit a VMAX. Let's see. Alright. The last Charizard pack. Let's see it. Does it hold all of our dreams and admirations? Oh boy. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Alright, Ball Guy, another Ball Guy, huh? Floatzel, Team Yell Towel, Morpeko, Nickit, we got an Eevee, Gossifleur, Choodle, whoa! The Shiny Volt Phalanx and a Morpeko, what? 2 hits in the 1 pack, whoa! Fire, both out of the same pack. We got the Phalanx V, Shiny, and the Morpeko V. Nice. So, I guess overall, I can't be too mad about that box. We got the Morpeko V, the Phalanx V, we got the Cramorant V, we got the Hollow Thievel, the Shiny Eldegoss, the Shiny Toxtricity, the Shiny Indeedee, the Hollow Decadui, and then the Centiskorch VMAX Shiny. What a cool card. And then of course the EV VMAX, which comes in the trainer box. But